Donald Trump has unveiled a sweeping 20-point peace plan for Gaza, a roadmap he claims could end the war, rebuild the region, and create a new path to peace. But what exactly is in it? Let's break down all 20 points, one by one. Section 1, Immediate Ceasefire and Hostages. Point 1, Gaza must become a terror-free zone. Point 2, war ends immediately if both sides accept. Point 3, Israel withdraws to agreed lines, fighting freezes. Point 4, within 72 hours, all hostages are returned. Point 5, in return, Israel frees over 1,900 Palestinian prisoners and releases remains in exchange. Section 2, Humanitarian Aid and Reconstruction. Point 6, Hamas members can disarm and receive amnesty or leave Gaza. Point 7, massive aid begins immediately, water, electricity, hospitals, rubble removal. Point 8, aid is distributed by neutral groups like the UN and Red Crescent. Point 9, Gaza temporarily run by a technocratic committee, no politics, just rebuilding. Point 10, oversight by a Board of Peace, chaired by Trump himself, with global leaders on board. Section 3, Economy and Governance. Point 11, launch of a Trump-led economic revival plan for Gaza. Point 12, creation of a special economic zone for trade. Point 13, no forced displacement, people can leave or return freely. Point 14, all terror tunnels and weapons factories destroyed. Point 15, regional partners guarantee compliance, no more threats to neighbors. Section 4, Security and Stability. Point 16, deployment of an international stabilization force to help train police. Point 17, Israel promises no occupation or annexation, full withdrawal after stability. Point 18, if Hamas refuses, the plan goes forward in terror-free zones first. Point 19, an interfaith dialogue program to foster tolerance. Point 20, a pathway toward Palestinian statehood and long-term peace. That's the 20-point Gaza Peace Plan. Some call it bold, others call it unrealistic. Will it bring peace, or just more controversy? What do you think? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more global breakdowns.